Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. Today, another recovery. I went big red to start off the day on my first two trades, and I was able to make myself back to a very, very tiny green day, which will probably not even be a green day after commissions, but I would rather be just barely red than as deep as I was today. So we'll head over right to the screen share and we'll go on with what happened. So my first trade was on GCTK, which is our leading gapper right now. And yeah, so I don't really, maybe it was just my entry timing was just slightly wrong. But these were right at, let's go and take a look. 7:04 a.m. Hop over to the 10-second chart. Yeah, so I was looking. This just had a nice rally up and a pullback, and I was buying off of 11 here, and I think I bought on this red candle to be specific. I don't know, 7:04, so it was right here. So I bought right at 11, which I thought was a really good support, and then it popped up, and I was like, all right, here we go. Got a solid entry for this next push higher, and just dumped down. My exit was pretty much at the bottom of this candle. I got out at 10:14. So yeah, not good. Not good. I think I got some shares out at 10. I don't know. Yeah, some shares out at 10:28 and some at like 10:14. So not a good loss. I was basically down. I was down $37 right to start the day with, and then 7:15 happened and MGIH popped up. There's really nothing to. Or no, I did make up on this one. Or 70. What time was MGIH? 7:07. Yeah, it was this push through VWAP here. I actually got a really nice entry, but this basically was a no-go right after. My God, the camera's going crazy. I got in right at 3 here, and a nice push through VWAP. Ended up making $10. So I got in a little bit higher. I got in at 320, then sold at 343. I was hoping to add 350 if that was going to go to 350, and it just stalled out. Or maybe we got a nice little pullback if it started to reject off VWAP or do VWAP as support. I would have been considering to add to see if I can squeeze out a little bit more. So I made up $10 on MGIH, and I'll just pull over my P&L for today. Right now, we're sitting at $5.11. So small day, but yeah, I mean, I traded 4 stocks, WLDS. That was a nothing trade. Got some profit, gave some back, ended up at 0. So nothing too bad there. And then UOKA, UOKA, Chinese no news stock. Every day. There's always one of these every day. Right at 8 a.m. I got in at 5:52. At what time is this? 8:05. Go 10-second. Head over to 8:05. I got this little pullback right here. Dip down to 422. Or actually, never mind. I got in. Where was my entry? 8:05. 452. I just got a small. I just bought in through. I must have got filled quite high because I'm pretty sure I bought here and I ended up getting filled up at 452. So I mean, this moved very quick. So I was able to sneak out a good bit of profit on UOKA, and then I kind of traded a little bit trying to just buy some dips off half and whole dollars, and that ended up not really working out too well. That was my last trade of the day. I did take a couple trades on WLDS, but like I said, I got $0 on the day for it, so it really didn't do me any good. But yeah, that's gonna finish up my first week as doing some market recaps. My goal with doing this, I think, is to just help me stay more disciplined, kind of feel pressure that I need to just not get out of emotional control if I have at least people watching me. This Tone X stock, let's take a look at this. I mean, this perfect wheelhouse price wise. Never mind. That's a good clip. So yeah, I feel like doing these will help me stay more disciplined, help me almost put a little pressure on myself to just stop messing about, because I know I can make money trading. I just the losing money part, I almost feel like I need an accountability buddy, which is what I'm kind of using YouTube for. So if you guys enjoy that, please like and subscribe and let me know how you guys did today. And we will be back on Monday. Have a good weekend. Peace.